Hello everyone. Welcome to Let's Crack UPSC CEC English. I'm very happy to meet you right now because UPSC have given us a very good surprise. I'm very happy to listen, very happy to see the news because they have released the new calendar that is for 2021. When are they going to conduct the exam? One thing I like about UPSC is whatever the situation is, we get our exam on regular basis. No doubt at all if the exam will happen or not, definitely we'll get the opportunity every year to participate in this exam, UPSC Civil Services and UPSC Indian Forest Service examination. Both the schedules have been released and we'll be looking at that. So this we are going to be doing it together successfully with the India's largest learning platform, that is an academy. So we'll go and see the schedule. What is that schedule? So here if you see the schedule, you can see very well Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2021 and Indian Forest Service Preliminary Examination through Civil Services Preliminary Examination. Yes, for Indian Forest Service and Civil Services, we have single preliminary examination which is on 10. So you can start, applying it on 10 to 2021 and you can apply till 2/3/2021. That is 10th of Feb, you can start applying till the 2nd of March and the exam is on 27/6/2021. Obviously, we'll have it on Sunday. That's for one day. Next is when is the mains examination? The Civil Services Preliminary Mains Examination is on 17/9/2021. Okay, September 17th, 2021, which starts on Friday and we have it for 5 days. And again, Indian Forest Service Preliminary Examination takes place on 21/11/2021 on 21st November 2021, which takes place for 10 days. Okay, so very important, you have both the mains examination. It is good that they have released this schedule. Fine. Now you can get a confusion, you can start getting confusion. What is going to happen? How will I prepare? So how to begin with my preparation? Where to start? Where to end? Everything you will be having confusion about. First of all, I will give a small list about what you are going to study before you are attempting the examination. First is you should know the basics of all conventional subject. You should know important current affairs, root of current affairs in the subject. Like you always have the link between these two. So root of current affairs in the subjects. CSAT 2 paper where you have mental ability and aptitude. CSAT 2 paper and map based questions are very important. Old question paper discussion, old question paper revision is important. Economic survey, India yearbook, international organization, test batches. Okay, ma'am. What, ma'am? These much things are there. How am I going to do? Don't worry. When you systematically prepare, when you are strategically preparing, there is a difference between planning and strategy. Planning is something you plan in prior. Strategy is you are planning to achieve, you are planning to win is called a strategy. Do not worry about it. I am going to help you. I am Subhakirtana. I am a faculty. I'm educated in an academic platform. I will help you. We educators are going to help you. Do not worry at all. We will give you the strategic plan like how you can prepare for this examination. Fine. So what we are going to give you, if you are preparing for the preliminary examination 2021, I will tell you there is a best option to opt for Iconic. Why? In Iconic, you have a personal coach. Okay. So personal coach is very, very important here because if you have 1 year, so the exam is going to be on next June. So next June, today this is August. So you hardly have less than 10 months. So in that situation, if you have a personal coach, if they want to watch you daily basis and you have a daily mains answer writing session, see please people keep one thing in mind. If you are preparing for prelims 2021, the next year examination, you should start with mains along with the prelims. Some people commit a mistake of preparing for prelims alone. When they get it, what happens is that the mains they will struggle a lot. Sometimes they might waste an attempt. Instead, you start with the mains question answer session along with the prelims. You can see you have live classes, test series, unlimited practice. You don't have only these much test. You can only these practice this much. It's not like that. You can practice how much time you want. you can watch the classes again and again. It's not like you go to the class one time, sit and watch. You have to take the notes, very fast, and sometimes you take half notes, sometimes you don't. It's not like that. You can watch your video anytime, everywhere, how many times you want. You can take notes slowly, and you have a study planner in Iconic, and you also have a personalized feedback. Okay, so in place you have live classes, test series, unlimited practice, and structured schedule. Along with that, you have a personal guys. I'm telling you, please take it, because this will definitely help you for, you have a target of less than 10 months. Personal coach will definitely help you in a very effective format. And this daily mains answer writing session, I'm telling you the best strategy to start with is mains along with the prelims. Fine. And then you have a strategic. I told you strategy is important, not just a simple plan. A strategy is important. You will get a strategic plan, personalized feedback. So these are the fee structure. You can go and subscribe immediately, because they are starting the Iconic class now. Okay, so it's going to be starting now, which will have an effect in your prelims very easily. And do not worry, I'm giving you a gift. This is my code SUBA SUBA, so that you can get a 10 percentage of offer. Okay, good, right? So use this. You get a 10 percentage offer. For both plus and Iconic, you get a 10 percentage of offer. Do not worry. Uh, Subscribe for it. Start the preparation today. There is no tomorrow, guys. I'm telling you. You tell yourself that tomorrow I will start. I have less than 10 months. No, it will be like, it'll just fly away. So better start it today, and now go and watch videos. You can come to my profile. I have spoken about how to attempt prelims. I've also spoken about how to write main sessions. We will discuss more on an academy. Come to this channel. Subscribe this channel. Here you get more classes. We have a very good discussion about all these subjects. Now I'm taking polity classes. I just started, so good that you can start from my first video. Just 4 or 5 videos before this you have. Start with the videos. Afternoon we have ethics class, we have special classes discussion. It's a very good platform, guys. Start with it. See, plan is not going to work out, strategy is going to work out. Have a good strategy, plan accordingly, so that you are preparing this exam cool, calm, and composed, and you are clearing prelims 2021, mains 2021. And in the next year's result, I want every one of your names on the list. I'll be the first person to be happy. Unacademy will be the first platform to be very happy for you. Fine. So thank you so much. All the best. And we are here to help you. I am here to help you. Do not forget to use this code when you subscribe. SUBA, you get a 10 percentage off offer. Think about Iconic, very good thing, very successful thing for everyone. Okay, fine. So bye bye. All the best. See you all upcoming classes. I'm eagerly waiting to meet you all people. Bye. Thank you.